Good Thursday morning, everyone, and happy February to you all. Hope you all are having a great start to your day, your great Thursday, and a great start to this month. Just thinking about the month. I know we have Groundhog Day tomorrow. It's Black History Month, so that's something that is also good to know about. I think President's Day is coming up, and then we have some other stuff coming up as well. Oh, Valentine's Day is coming up as well, and things like that. So, without talking about holidays, let's go ahead and talk about the weather. So, starting off where we are, as you can see, no precipitation is happening over where we are right now in South Carolina. Then when we go up over to the central U.S., we have some showers going from Kansas down into Oklahoma and Texas through the Dallas area, Oklahoma City area. And then up here near the Great Lakes region and the Northeast, we have some kind of weird, like, lake effect ice event happening. It's like, instead of it being lake effect snow, it's lake effect ice. Uh, and then we have some snow up here in Maine and northern Vermont. Now here, over to you to our west, you can see we have this huge atmospheric river thing still happening. And here it is right here. This entire area right here is part of it right here. We do have a slight risk of excessive rainfall down near Los Angeles, but we'll talk about that later. But ice in the higher elevations, rain in the lower elevations. It was snow earlier, but now it is indeed ice because, well, it's starting to turn into kind of like the day periods, and it's starting to not turn really as cold anymore. Um, so, instead of it being late at night, it's now kind of getting like later into the morning, kind of like 5:30 ish on the west coast. So it's now ice, is what I'm trying to say. Now, going on ahead and talking about our cloud cover. As you can see with the cloud cover right here, um, we have cloud cover off the coast. Definitely some cloud cover out to sea. But as of right now, looks like everyone's clear. Looks like everyone is clear, and we have some clear skies out there. Would not be surprised though if somebody did see a cloud or two, but obviously not obviously the entire sky might not not have clouds in it. So the the main thing is that it's mainly clear for everybody. And at least near me, I can see, I'm looking outside. There's no clouds in sight. Now, going on to our current temperatures: 42 in Columbia, 40 in Florence, 43 in Myrtle Beach, 45 in Charleston, 44 in Augusta, and 45 near Savannah. Let's go ahead and go to our south: 49 in Jacksonville, 48 in Gainesville, 45 in Tallahassee. Very cold for Florida. And then to our west: 39 in Atlanta, 38 in Athens, 38 in Birmingham, 40 in Montgomery, 44 in Jackson, 51 in Baton Rouge, and 53 in New Orleans. And then we go to our north: 39 in Charlotte, 41 in Fayetteville, 39 in Raleigh, 37 in Greensboro, and then 35 in Knoxville. Now, here's our day one maximum temperature outlook. It's going to be around 62 degrees in the Midlands near Columbia and Sumter, 60 near Florence, 55 near Myrtle Beach, 57 near near Charleston, 59 near the upstate, and then 63 seems to be like near North Augusta. So definitely the hottest temperatures are going to be kind of like in the Midland slash western coast, western border, I should say, not coast, western border between South Carolina and Georgia. And then here's our max wind gust. Max wind gust is, it's gonna be windy out there, like in the ocean, as you can see those colors out there. Um, but on land, overall, 10 to 15 miles an hour. Nothing much to talk about when it comes to wind. 24-hour precipitation totals: no precipitation is expected within 24 hours. And here's a model that I can show that goes along with it. You push this forward. There's a high pressure over us right now, so that explains a lot as to why There's no precipitation happening, and I mean we're just clear. Nothing to worry about. We are looking pretty good. I'm saying we look pretty good until like Sunday. Sunday is when we have the chance to start seeing some more precipitation, but I think really until Sunday, you just chill. No bad weather is expected to happen, but I am watching that system that's gonna come through for Monday night through Tuesday, because that could bring some strong winds and some heavy rain with it as well. So I am still watching that as well. Now here we go, talking about our day one convective outlook. Um, we have the possibility for some storms for pretty much western and southern California, going through Phoenix and Tucson, Arizona, the west part of New Mexico with Albuquerque, and then going up towards I call it the four corners of Utah, Arizona, New Mexico, and Colorado, going through mainly just those part going through Durango, Colorado, and then going kind of like taking like this curving shape towards Cedar City, Utah. So everyone inside the green can experience a thunderstorm. It's not going to really be severe, but it is still there. And then here's our day one excessive rainfall outlook for today. There, that slight risk is for um, Los Angeles, and it's pretty much what it shows here is that 15% chance of seeing flash flooding near Los Angeles because of the atmospheric river that we just saw on rainfall, on the radar, I should say. And if we move to like the 168-day outlook, I mean, you can see like that is a lot of rain for Los Angeles. Like that, 4 to 6, maybe even close, maybe even an 8-inch rain report could be possible. 4 to 6 inches of rain, probably likely down in Los Angeles, and then 8 inches is possible up there. And if you look over towards us as well, this is the next 7 days. Charleston can see 2 inches, 2.5 inches. Um, and the more inland you go, the more further away it gets, or the more less accumulation you would get. And then our winter storm index, nothing is expected. And then there's that thing for, I told you winter weather would be over here in on the California mountains, and well, you got an extreme on the winter storm impacts because of this atmospheric river, and those freezing temperatures are going to come into play, and that's going to drop feet of snow. So that's going to about do it. Thank y'all so much for watching this morning video, and I will see y'all tonight with February's forecast. See y'all tonight.